still your lucky charm? Alright, wait. I'll just adjust your microphone. Uning lawang na ang niya, no? Tigsa ang microphone, anak na tigsa ang microphone. Atong tanong mo para makatubang darang itong mga candidates. Sige, wait ha. Alright, now pick your judge, please. And your judge is... Alright. Kamingaw, kahilom sa payag, takpak nila. Alright, we have Mr. I think Mr. Andrew isn't here, so we might as well ask Miss Ethel Timagos from Coca-Cola, Bottlers, Philippines.
I love you, NC!
Good evening, Danica. My question would be so simple. If you were given a chance to meet a very famous person, who will it be and why? Thank you for the wonderful question. If I'll be given a chance to meet someone and to talk to him, I would choose our president. Because what is the current news is the upcoming war between China and Philippines. And I know that Philippines doesn't have enough power to defeat China. And so, I'll advise him to give Spratly Islands so that we can protect our nation from a horrible effect of this upcoming war. That's all, and thank you.
With her lucky charm, Mr. James, and the question was from Miss Ethel Timagos. Thank you so much for that. Then we have our fourth finalist.